drawing part will be there. Both of you get up. Session is on clay modeling and pottery. So both these terms you are familiar with. And how many of you have done clay modeling in your previous classes or not remembering exactly? Okay. So for we are making models. Modeling. What is anatomy? Most of the time what doctors may say about there is an anatomy class. And there has to be an opening for the what? For the ivory, right? One side is this is called water-based clay. It is not strongly you take it off. പോലാക്കി കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഇതാ നടുക്കൊരു ചെറുതായിട്ടൊരു ഇംപ്രഷൻ ഉണ്ടാക്കുക. And bottom part also has to be shaped correctly with the first finger. Roll it like this. Press it. And you can put it in your palm and press it. Now it is. And afterwards make a small bend, a leaf. Make a small roll like this. We make the nose. And that. Correct. So that you can use any of the tools. So that you can put
നോക്കട്ടെ കാണിച്ചേ അല്ല മോൾ ഓ വെജിറ്റബിൾ ട്രേ എന്തുവാ അത്